Hello all kids, I'm Magic Bug. Please allow me to introduce my buddies. Centipede, snake, spider, scorpion, turtle, crab, and beetle. Next, let's show you our skills. We are versatile. Who says a turtle climbs slowly? Let's have a look at how fast a turtle climbs in our 乐语 Zoom and makes a 360-degree rotation for you. There is another function, automatic demonstration. Now, let me tell you how to operate us. Except for me, all other animals are operated by the remote control. They all have A, B, C, 3 frequencies to be played by kids together. For my twin brother, 3 1.5-volt AG batteries have to be installed in his body and the remote control. For the centipede and the snake, they have egg-shaped remote controls installed with 3-button batteries, and their bodies need to be charged by USB. If the indicator is always on, it means it is in charging. For the spider, scorpion, turtle, crab, and beetle, 1.5-volt AA batteries are installed in the remote control first. And then the charging cable is pulled out of the remote control and connected to the body of an animal for charging. Well, let's make fun of Zoom now.